Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Nice movement today, all over the place. Pretty violent day, volatility-wise. And then you look down here at the volume, and above average volume on the day. So quite a few eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance going forward. The main level of support that really stands out to me, and I don't know, must hold, do or die, that might be a little dramatic, but 43 cents I'll call a pretty important level of support. And the logic behind me calling it, pretty important is that I think hopefully most people would agree that price movements from the overall general sense, if they're truly strong, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. And I would like to think you're probably thinking, well, yeah, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if something is truly strong, it's not going to be going back to where it was. That would be a total contradiction. And yeah, exactly. And that's what 43 cents is essentially representing. I'm not saying this is what's going to occur because honestly, so far so good. I mean, right there, the price has tried several times to break 43, but the bulls are doing a good job of holding. But in the event that does not continue to occur and the price actually breaks below it and then, closes somewhere down around there, what is that giving you? That's literally giving you the price right back to where it was inside of this range over here. And, not to insult your intelligence, like I said, but price movements are not going to go back to where they were if they're truly strong. But if it continues to do what it's been doing, so like I said, to give full credit where credit's due, the price has been doing a good job of bouncing around 43. So if that continues, then eventually the price works its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. And if you envision those as stair steps, yes, I know. I'm not very artistic, but if you envision those as stair steps, well, hey, the stair steps are progressing in the upwards direction. And like I said, that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do over time. They're going to make progress forward. And that opportunity to still make progress exists. And once again, the quote-unquote progress point being quantified and defined as 43 cents. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, seem to be some right up around 48 cents. But in my opinion right now, top priority by far is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's about establishing a higher base. And then from there, you can work on building upon the momentum. So we'll see what the bulls have in store. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.